don't know why I'm trying to poke a hole in this when the bag is wide open.
And we're doing everything custom. No, even opening the bags.
Custom.
So these are the seals, right?
These are the Apex seals, yes.
And what's that you're holding right now?
These are the Apex seal springs. There's two of them. There's a long one and a short one.
What exactly do they do?
The same thing as a piston ring spring. Compresses. Basically, the rotor is not, or the rotor housing is not a perfect circle. So it has like this part that moves in and then comes out, almost like a figure eight. And so the springs, while this is rotating, the springs push up against this wall, which pushes the spring or pushes the apex seal in. Kind of like a piston ring. The spring will allow the piston to collapse in as it's going up and down. So this kind of does the same thing.
So I guess there's difference and similarities, huh?
Lots of differences, but also lots of similarities when it comes to these. It's just this one doesn't have pistons, but they, in theory, they kind of do the same thing. That's the part that I hate. Because obviously, the apex seal. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this.
So what are these again?
These are apex seals.
The little bolt thing that you put in. What is that?
That is the spring. That's what keeps the that's what moves the spring up and down. Uh-oh. No. These are a little tricky to put in because the small one will move on you. And if it falls in, you gotta take this out again. And then try again. Because it likes to move on you. So you have to make sure that you get it in there right and make sure that it doesn't turn. And then press this down. Bada bing.
Bada boom.
Bada boom. We're gonna do this side. Oh no, you don't. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Please don't do that. What makes this even more difficult is the grease See, it's getting stuck again.
Yeah, that's a bad peak for you.
I'm trying to see. I don't want to keep forcing it, but it seems like this apex seal.
Right at the apex, yeah.
Yeah, that corner seal at the bottom, it keeps getting stuck.
But you tested the guide too, right? You put it in there and you slide it in there.
I think it's hitting the spring.
That's what they say, the little round one. How much is each iron weight, do you know? Do you know the weight of the irons or no?
Huh?
Do you know the weight of the irons?
A lot.
Yeah, because I can see when you lift it up, you're like, has some weight to it.
Yeah.
You see, it's locking on the shaft, huh?
Yeah.
That way, help you pull it up a little bit or no?
This fucking chair sucks. Shit. So push up from the bottom, but not too much.
Oh shit.
You got it?
Yeah. It's because the iron's stuck on it.
Let it go. Let it go. Fuck. That was a struggle. That was a struggle.
So why'd you turn it?
To make sure it spins and it turns, and that there's no binding or no issues, and all the seals and everything is working perfectly fine.
And what would you say the situation is on it? Is it turning just like how you expect it to?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.